Implementing AMI is a significant achievement, but ensuring its long-term functionality, reliability, and efficiency presents a new challenge. Over time, the equipment will age, and software or maybe even firmware will require updates. Without a proactive approach to maintenance, utilities risk equipment failures, data inaccuracies, costly emergency repairs, and customer dissatisfaction. To address the challenge, utilities must develop a comprehensive AMI maintenance program tailored to their specific system and operational needs. The program should focus on proactive maintenance strategies such as regular system monitoring and equipment inspections. It should also consider software and firmware updates to keep the system compatible with evolving technologies and security. A customized maintenance program ensures the AMI system remains resilient over the long term, protecting the utility's investment.